Ka jingelap election na kebenta ka wat ke beningkong jong ka Lok Sabha kan kut la syai ke sengi ha ka ba ka East Khasi Hills kan long ka ba kham khloit. U Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills u Ritu Raj Ravi ulo ong bala penkre kumba pra perton sipai CAPF ke ba onbu khnang ban penyat bed ya ka jing Thep vote. Ha ka ba ide ba ki jingja ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency u SP ulo ong ba ki Pulit kidang penlong ka jing to okit halor kita ki khubor ki balami. Ki Pulit kidang bishar thu ru khnang bante lakam ya ka jing sampisa hashwa ki election.
Situation in Shillong and East Khasi Hills district, we are observing highest vigil, and we are taking out route marches with the help of the companies of CAPF that we have received, and we are ensuring that no untoward incident takes place in the district. So regarding flow of money or checking of vehicles and checking of persons, number one, FST, SST are doing their job. Number two, police nakas are there and they will be there till polling day. Number three, that with the help of CAPF companies, we will be taking route marches, flag marches, and ensuring that overall law and order situation remains peaceful.